Hello everyone, I Shardul on behalf of my team is presenting the core idea of our Shield application. Idea is to provide a solution to safeguard people and protect them from COVID-19 pandemic during this lockdown phase.
Shield will be an Android based app which will help in gathering citizens' data, trace their movement when they will be permitted to go outside for fulfilling their essential needs. At most of the population in India makes the use of Android based smartphone as compared to iOS. Hence our primary focus is to develop Shield app on the Android platform using Java technology. Apart from managing and permitting the movement of the people through digital pass, we will also provide the additional features for buying vegetables, grocery, medicines, links to the emergency contacts based on the location. By this time, we are done with research computation and planning of our app. Currently, our team is working to develop a wireframe structure of the app along with the layout of the intended features. Part which will be coding, testing, stabilizing, and presenting the Shield app. Steps: login to the app. 2. Aadhaar card scanning for auto populating the user data. 3. Select one of the options from the mentioned ones, that is, reason for going outside. 4. Submitted documents will be verified by government authorities. 5. If approved, user will get the digital pass for the specified duration of time. Thank you.